for scoot in the morning. We are at Bukit Batok area. We're going to the Bukit Batok Nature Park to catch some Pokemons.
Simon has a YouTube channel at Simon Tay 78. Do check out his channel for more Pokémon Go videos. He does other game reviews as well.
Sorry. Thank you. This is a Little Guilin, but this is a different place.
It's like 10 over here. Things are not
Is it? Yeah, we just went past Xiao Guilin and we are heading towards the Bukit Batok Nature Park. So I'm here with Simon Tay. You see he's behind. Simon, say hello.
Hi.
Hands free using this air wheel. Amazing view, nice. Cross the road, 不要等地先。Okay, we reached the Bukit Batok Nature Park.
Okay, my friend and I is back at where am I? Bukit Batok Nature Park. Yay!
The Bukit Batok Nature Park is a very nice, quiet park where you can come alone or just bring your family for maybe a picnic session.
Oh, on my neck, on my neck. Okay. Very set the mood here.
So it's set. So basically this is the like the end of it already.
No, that still have. Oh, the quarry is end of it. Yeah. So basically, we got sort of asked nicely by the NParks ranger or officer that motorized vehicles or scooters are still not allowed within the parks. So we had to push our rides out of the park, and we are heading back to pick up my car, and then we'll head over to Jurong West Street 41, where there's a coffee shop where we might be able to get some good spawns and everything. So, yep.
On our way back to pick up the car, we actually spotted this e-bike cruiser. Well, before we headed over to Jurong West, we actually spent some time trying to take down 2 Poke Gyms. We managed to do it, and we got our 20 Poke Coins for the day. While I did not get to have any video footage of our Pokemon hunt at Jurong West, basically we got about 3 Pikachus over a span of 1.5 hours. So Jurong West Street 41 is basically a Pikachu nest. So if you are interested, maybe you can go over and try your luck. Well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See ya. Bye bye.